Hello, everybody, and welcome to Foodie TV. My name is Digvijay, and today's episode is going to be dedicated to one of the most commonly eaten food in the northern section of India. That is right, we are going to eat Rajma Chawal. This is in every household. It is available and also considered as one of those lazy days food when the woman of the house is not very inclined to cook, and this is something that you can put it in the cooker with limited number of masalas, give it couple of whistles, and your dish is ready. Or you can eat this with roti, or you can have it with rice. Usually in the parts of Delhi, Gurgaon, NCR, Punjab is where you get all of these things, even on the roadside. Yes, there are a lot of street food vendors who basically sell this at different parts of the northern India with variety of combinations, like you have pickles, you have onions and chilies, and a good amount of curd, which complements your Rajma Chawal. So without wasting much time, let's start tasting. As you can see, this beautiful presentation of Rajma Chawal, and this is how exactly things are available out there in the roadside as well as street food at various localities in the North India. Very much complimented in terms of the white rice along with Rajma. These are nothing but your kidney beans, as they call in the western side of the world, and these kidney beans are rich in proteins and carbohydrates. Absolutely, these are the very good sources of proteins, and a lot of people out there where extreme climates come into picture is where people start to eat these kind of rajma or red beans to give them more energy during the day. So let's start with our Rajma Chawal. Along with that, I have a slice of tomato, onion, and of course the mirchi. And usually people eat it with pickled chilies, or maybe some mango ka achar. But I thought I'll give it a skip, as I love the taste of Rajma by itself. And of course I have some generous quantity of curd, a little sprinkle of the chili powder and salt in it, which enhances the flavor of the Rajma Chawal. Aha, it's hot, it's fresh, and it's going to be absolutely tasty. Oh, amazing. This, so there are variety of preparations that people can do with Rajma. Usually, it is medium spiced and not very overwhelming powered of spices coming into your mouth. But then there are other preparations where you have spices that are overwhelming, and of course the hotness or the heat that comes out of the chili powder is also extreme. But in this case, it has been prepared with mild spices and mild chili flavors. You will be surprised to know that there are a lot of families who do not prefer eating garlic and onion, also make amazing recipes out of rajmas, just like your Rajma Chawal or Rajma Curry, without using any onions and garlic, and only using tomatoes. Every bite of this kidney beans gives me the hint of cumin powder, haldi, hakka jeera, and of course very light spiced red chilies. The garlic paste kind of gets smoothed into the gravy, and that spiciness of the garlic as well as the ginger contributes this to this entire dish to be one of its best preparations, and can be eaten at any point of time, at any point of day actually, and any region of India. I love spicy food, and I'm gonna try this. And you know, when you go to Delhi or any part of northern India, even with Rajma Chawal, they'll give you a couple of chilies, green chilies, that you can just take a bite on after you have taken a morsel of Rajma Chawal. Usually you get two combinations of food as lunch when you visit any parts of Delhi or even Noida, is that they either give you curry chawal, which is nothing but made up of curd and some spices, and there are vadas which go inside this curry gravy, and that's why it's called as curry chawal. And then of course you have the rajma chawal. I'm going to enhance the flavors by putting some generous amount of curd with rajma and my rice. Amazing. Folks, if you anytime want to prepare this, it's very simple. You might require a cooker to boil the rajma beans and use varieties of flavors that you can integrate it with the dish. I love my rajma chawal as simple as it seems. So folks, today's episode was a simple one, and sometimes it is always beneficial to eat simple food for lunch or for dinner, which kind of restarts your palate activities for you to prepare yourself for other rich foods that are coming up in the next episodes. Right, so take care of yourself. I hope you're safe at home, not moving out, and enjoy your food, love your food, enjoy the taste, and have a very healthy life. घर का खाना, best खाना, as much as possible try to have homely food.